Sheikh, I had a discussion with my friend about the madhabs and the four imams. So the discussion was about saying things like I'm Hanafi or Hanbali, etc., and taking that too far. So I was concerned about him degrading the imams too much in the discussion. So what status do the four imams have, and to what level should we associate ourselves to the schools of thought?
Imams of the four schools of thought, Abu Hanifa, Malik ibn Anas, Muhammad ibn Idris al-Shafi'i, Ahmad ibn Hanbal, they are the top four greatest scholars of all times. Not that they are someone who was sent by Allah Azza wa Jal in the status of prophets and messengers. No, they're scholars. They're not infallible. They have mistakes, but they've contributed to the Muslim Ummah hugely. They were greater than them in knowledge, such as Abdullah ibn al-Mubarak, Sufyan ibn Uyayna, Sufyan al-Thawri, and al-Awza'i, and the likes. Great Imams. Al-Hasan al-Basri, Urwa ibn Zubair from the Tabi'een, but they did not have the same disciples to carry their fiqh and make schools of it and spread it all over the world. So their status, the four scholars of the madhabs, their status is similar to the status of all scholars of Islam. We believe in them, we pray for them, we respect them, but they're humans, they're not companions. So they don't have the same level, but we do respect them and think highly and greatly of them all.